Hello you guys, this is Fun Automotive, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the updates and things like that. How have you guys been? It's been quite a while for me to make a video. Yeah, just over a month I think, and I haven't gotten my Jeep yet. Been taking care of some things, getting some things out of the way and everything. Still, of course, have the WJ, my wife's WJ. Been working on the RV a lot, working on it constantly, and I'll show you guys around on that. I replaced all the tires on it, the front shocks, the steering wheel stabilizer shock, getting all that done, doing the rear brakes myself here in a couple of weeks, and getting the rear shocks done, and then gonna probably more than likely air up the airbags and get this thing leveled out a little better, because nobody gave it any good attention before we bought it. But this is what I've been doing lately. For just some fun. Been riding around this bike right here, jumping, you know, doing good things. It's just a let me see, it's a Mongoose. Bought it not long ago. This thing is very fun. Just been jumping hills, getting good exercise, you know, getting me out of the house. It's not bad. These tires, man, these things were expensive. These Maxxis, man. For a bike tire, that is super expensive for me. It's $74 a piece per tire. It's a dirt tire, as you can see. Full on dirt. The Minion DHR2. It's a fun little bike, fun project. I built it up when I bought it. Going to be doing some things to the WJ in the future. I have to give it a tune-up. I'm gonna buy just a quick, easy tune-up. I'm gonna get some spark plugs for it. I'm going to do new coil packs, change the air filter, change the oil, a few other easy things like that, and yeah, just simple things like that. And just be a few more updates on the WJ itself, showing you guys around on that and getting used to working on that thing again. It's been quite a while since I have, but let me show you the tires on this RV, man. This thing is 27 foot, and changing the shocks on this RV in the front was easier than I thought. Obviously, it's like a van in the front end. It's a 450 V10, and it's like a van. And it was very easy to do, man. Simple. It only took me like, I think, an hour tops. Threw my 3.5 ton jack under it, jacked it up, threw some jack stands, pulled the shocks off, replaced all those. While I was under there, I replaced the steering wheel stabilizer, and it looks like it's going to need some boots done for the tie rods and stuff eventually, but we'll see if I get to that in the future. I may or may not do them, because we don't drive this thing often. They're just getting a little leaky, but they're not cracking or looking all nasty at all. So let me show you some of that stuff and continue the video. All right, these are brand new tires I just added on this. As I said before, these are the size is 225, 75, 16. And they are called Scout Highway Terrain tires. When I got them, it said that it was like a on and off-road tire, but I'm in the dirt, but no, this is I wouldn't trust this to be a really a semi off-road tire, you know, something semi, but it's, I'm sure, just for things like this, going onto dirt roads and stuff when you need to. But these are smooth, super smooth tires. I've got 55 up front, and I'm running I think 70 pounds in the rear. I should probably put this to 60 maybe. No, 50, 55. It seems to be doing good right there. Not too tight, not too low, just enough. Still good on gas, still rides nicely. And yeah, for being an RV Class C, you would think this thing would take bigger tires. That's what I've always thought. I've never owned one before, but sure enough, this thing only takes a little 225, 75, 16. That's what my wife's Jeep takes, stock. a simple 225, 75, 16, but these are Load Range E 10 ply, and they hold a lot of weight. And just one tire alone is as heavy as one of my 33s off of my Liberty that I had. Very heavy tires, but very good, very thick, nice, good tires. I'm gonna probably be getting new hubcaps, front and rear, because the rear doesn't have any, just the fronts have the hubcaps, because it was like that when I bought it. But yeah, I just got these just a few days ago, and man, they do ride like a dream. And it's got these little sidewall protectors, I guess you can call them. I think it's mainly for looks, but tires aren't bad. I like them. Looks like it's off of it, but it's not. It's centered right in the center on that. This is just to level it out. I got some on the rear too, because we're kind of at a slant a little bit sitting out here. But yeah, very nice tires. I'm liking it. And brand new shocks also, as you can see right there. Got that shock, got the other shock replaced. The gappage between here, getting that done, man, that is a pain in the ass. Getting that done, getting a tool back there. So I just threw my ratcheting opening wrench. It's the ratchet circle end on the other end and then opening on the other. Just threw that on here, took a wrench, held it right there, and then just started wrenching away, getting that thing taken care of. Yeah, I held the wrench right there, and then on the ratchet end, I just moved the ratchet until it click, 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 you know, what a regular ratchet does. It goes, and I just did that all the way till that bolt was completely off of the stud. The old ones were just junk, total trash. The front would bounce like a lowrider. It was terrible. So these things help a world of a difference. Let me see if I can get you guys under to show you that steering wheel stabilizer. Brand new stabilizer right there. A bit dirty now, but brand spanking new. Got that done nice and taken care of. Looking good, but it's an E450, as you could tell. It's the V10 model right there, and yeah, I'm liking this thing. It's big and spacious inside, that is for sure. Big and spacious. Again, out here in the open desert, liking it like always. There's my boy right there. Come on. His name is Harry. He's a good boy. Just got him not long ago. A few months, I think like 4 months ago. He's a good boy. He's a white lab. I forgot the exact name for him, but he's a good boy. All right, go lay down. Go play. Go on. Go play. Go play now. But yeah, not sure what I'm going to do. A lift on here. Not sure if I'm going to, but I surely would love to, man. And shout out to Oxito. They sent me some fog lights for this thing. I never got around to doing that video. I'm sorry if you're watching this, Oxito. The fog lights work excellent. I will have a little side short just on that, showing you guys the fog lights, the LED fog lights for the Grand Cherokee. And the thing about the Grand Cherokee is, this thing needs a wash, it's filthy, is they've got, obviously, two lights. They got a high and a low beam. So whenever you replace these bulbs, you got to buy two different ones, high and low. I'm so used to my Jeep Liberty, it's got one bulb, high and low, for just the single bulb, just like a Wrangler. And then, of course, the fog. So just something to think about whenever you're doing that. I didn't even think about it when I first bought LEDs for this thing. And yeah, it's not that bad. Don't buy cheapies. Go to Oxito.com. They'll have some good fogs for you. Go to Oxito.com. They'll have some nice fogs for you. And that's what you'll want to buy, because they got the quality on the Oxitos. Look at the tire mark from the new tire. The Oxitos, the quality is just excellent, very excellent on the quality. And it's just, that's what I had in my Jeep, that's what I had on the fog lights, and that's what I have on this for the high beams and the fog lights. The regular lights, I haven't got to those yet, but I'm going to be replacing them because they are just dull and dead, just no bueno. So this is a video update of what I've been up to and what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to start outputting videos and showing you guys, you know, that I'm back. I'm going to be making videos and getting back out there again. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. So again, this is Fun Automotive, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye. Beautiful sunset out here. Beautiful sunset. Come. Dog doesn't ever want to listen. Come. Come. There you go. That's my boy. Good. Sit. Good. Give me your hands. You want to lay? No?